Hey, this is Dr. Amanda from StraightSmile Solutions, and we're here still in our first module. We're going to be talking about open coil spring, how that works, and how to put one in, and when to put one in. So again, my parameters might be different from fast braces or 6-month smiles, but these are just, I think, more conservative parameters that most orthodontists will use. So I think if you're going to do ortho, you should treat it at the level of an orthodontist. So in any case, this is my philosophy for NiTi open coil springs. First of all, keep in mind that the diameters can be a little bit different. This is kind of like what I like. Never use a stainless steel open coil spring. It really doesn't do anything. So make sure it says nickel titanium. Medium force diameter, 0.12 inch. Okay. It might come in long tubes. It might come in spools. It doesn't matter how it comes as long as it works like what it works. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is only use open coil spring when you are on a rectangular wire, like we talked about before, okay? So you have to work your way up to that. And before you even get into the rectangular wire, let's take a step back, okay? Let's make sure, we have to make sure all our teeth are totally straight. That's my philosophy. You put the brackets on with your indirect bonding, you work your way up the wire. By the time you get to 16 NiTi, everything should be just about totally straight. If it's not, you need to re-evaluate your bracket positioning, or you need to use a ligature tie, okay, and get it all straight, or a little IPR is needed. Everything should be 100% straight before you go into the rectangular wire. If you're not sure, then you need to check in, okay? So this is the open coil spring. If you have a tooth that's blocked out, you might want to use that, or if you're trying to move around some midlines, you might want to use that. You want to cut a piece that's bigger than the space you have and then compact it, okay? On the heavier rectangular arch wire. I'm not sending you guys the rectangular arch wires because your typodont has crooked teeth and it wouldn't fit. So you're just going to have to simulate it on a lighter wire. But again, you're not going to be on this until you're like 6 months, 4 to 6 months into treatment probably. So it's not happening today. This is the ligature director. I did send you one of these. This is one of my favorites to compact open coil spring. It also helps you put on ligatures when needed. Okay, so go ahead and cut an active piece of NiTi open coil spring and put it in on one of those spaces on your typodont. I think there's some spaces in the lower anterior, like there's a blocked out tooth, and go ahead and simulate an active open coil spring tied in. Don't forget to send me pictures, front, side, up, bottom, top, bottom. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.